Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you or discuss with you how to see old like videos on TikTok. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to see the old like videos that you have on your TikTok account, well, this one is quite simple. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go and click or open up the TikTok app here, and you want to go and just visit your profile at the bottom right of your screen. Now, inside your profile, you should see a number of options here. Now, you want to look for the heart icon here, which should contain all your liked TikToks. Now, if you want to see the oldest liked video in your TikTok account, you just need to scroll to the very bottom, and typically, you'll be able to see the oldest liked TikTok video in your account. Now, in some cases, some accounts would actually have their like or the like section here not available. So you won't see the heart option here. So how do you exactly get that back? Now, currently, as of this moment, that's actually a bug. So if that's a bug, you need to report this to TikTok. So at the top right of your screen, you want to go and click on the three bar icon at the top right, choose settings and privacy. And you want to go to the very bottom here, and you want to look for the option that says help center. Now, inside Help Center here, what you need to do is you want to go and choose the Report a Problem. And from here, you want to go ahead and choose the option that says Online Reporting Form. Now, inside the online reporting form, you want to go and choose the appropriate options here. So in this case, I want to choose the Report a Bug. And you want to choose the category. Let's go and choose Report a Bug again. And you want to go and provide your username, additional contact information like your email that is associated with your TikTok account that you can still access, and the details of the bug. Now, in this case, you want to go and provide or mention here that you are having problems accessing your like videos inside your TikTok app here, and you want to upload any screenshots of the problem itself. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and just make sure to agree a few things and click on submit. Now, typically, they will reach out to you via email and notify you if the problem has been resolved. Now, in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.